Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to connect Bluetooth device on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that.
Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos.
Yes, from my laptop I would like to know about where Bluetooth device is working. So on downside your taskbar you will find option called time and date. So just to click here you will find option called Bluetooth. So while you see the Bluetooth device which has without any other icon, if you see the clear Bluetooth icon means your device is working properly. If it is not, mean just use right click on your start menu and just go to device manager. Once you go to device manager you will find an option called Bluetooth device will be there. So all the devices will be stored in device manager. So you can find, for example, just select this Bluetooth option. If it has a yellow mark, that is a warning mark, means just use right click and update the drive. Automatically your Bluetooth should work properly with the wireless denominator, everything should be work properly. So this is Bluetooth is working properly in my laptop. Now I would like to connect the device. What I have to do here, just go to start menu and you will find option called settings. Just hit the button settings. So setting has everything in the Windows 11 settings option. So setting right hand side you will find a system Bluetooth device. Just choose Bluetooth and devices. Once you choose Bluetooth and devices you will find option called view more devices Bluetooth and everything will be there. So I just want to add my Bluetooth, that is my speaker or my mobile phone or my anything. I just want to add the device. Just click the add device and it will ask you for the Bluetooth mic, keyboard, pen, audio drives, anything you want to connect. Just hit the button Bluetooth, automatically it will search your devices. So make sure your devices should be turned on and discoverable. So on your device, that is your Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth variety kind of things, you should switch on the devices Bluetooth. Once you switch on this one, so my Amazfit GTR 2 will be owning over there, switching over this. So I just want to connect this one. Once I connect, automatically your device will be connected in your laptop so that it will be easy to have access. So if you want to see how many devices is added in your laptop, just click view more devices and you will find option called, so your input devices, Dell mouses I added, as well as Amazfit GTR 2 I have connected. So if I want to connect a speaker, I can connect a speaker, add a device and connect the speaker as well. So this is a beautiful option. While you add a device and you can search and wireless display or talk or anything else for the Xbox or Bluetooth related speaker, keyboard, pins, you can connect through the Windows 11. So use this update and connect your Bluetooth device in 2023 and have a peaceful access. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.